Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS range of new ROG Strix laptops. So friend, ASUS announced the 2024 Strix family of laptop including the Strix SCAR 18, the first 18-inch ROG laptop equipped with mini LED ROG Nebula HDR display, and the Vanguard gaming laptop. All 2024 Strix machine feature the latest flagship Intel Core i9 processor 4900HX with the Strix SCAR 16 and SCAR 18 sporting up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 laptop GPU with 125-watt max TGP paired with complete suite of latest intelligent cooling improvement including Tri-Fan technology and Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal on the both CPU and GPU. The 2024 Strix family of laptop has arrived to dominate the competition. And friend, while the ROG Nebula HDR panels exclusive to the Strix SCAR line are truly spectacular, or displaying in the 2024 Strix family are visually stunning, and each model features a 2005K panel with 240Hz refresh rate and under 3 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, giving gamers exceptional viewing experience. For further immersion, these panels have an extra tall 16:10 aspect ratio and 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color space. Dolby Vision support ensures that the color content on screen will look exactly as the creator intended, and Dolby Atom support further increases immersion with the expansive and realistic sound stages. No matter which Strix machine and a gamer chooses, they will have a display that makes all of their games and content more vivid and immersive than ever before. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.